Comrade accounting software. Here you have to give the login name admin and password ADM. Login name admin and password ADM. You can enter into the system. Once you log in, it will give you an dashboard screen. Here documents, expiry of documents, the employees documents, anything expiring, post-related checks reports, PDC. These all pending or the due transaction will show you. Also, it will show here with the bills, pending bills, payment pending bills. Here, if you click refresh, all the pending bills, that means the due date is over. Whatever the invoices which is the due date is over, it will show you the list. And also other like the job code in the job ledger, you can give different job and you can give an expiry date. For example, vehicle, more vehicle you can give and give insurance date. If the vehicle is having insurance date expired, it will show. Like this way you can get. If you want this screen, if you want, you can avoid from in the user, you can remove it, the key. There are user, there are so many uses you can create, and also you can give different access keys. Here user creation is very simple. You can create user and you can copy the access key of one another person. Suppose same sales, five people are in sales. What you can do, one salesperson you create and give access keys perfectly, everything okay. Then you make another user and just to copy the access keys. For example, sales one, new user, 123 is password, 123 password, update. And then here you can copy, suppose another salesperson, this is the access key, you can copy to this sales, and here enable option is there, enable option, and then click access. Like this, sales 2, sales 3, easily you can do that creation of user. This is a option useful for only administrator purpose only, otherwise normal users this option you can block also. And how to create account, ledger, these things I will explain to you now. You can go to here, see these are the shortcuts actually. Here account related, you can go to account creation, new account creation. Here this default group is already available in the system, but if you want you can delete this account group and you can make your own, or you can create additional account groups. Here F1 key is there, you will get to the group detail, asset, liability, equity, income, cost of sale. You will get some idea about the account group, and each account within the group you can create the account. Go to the, if you want to open a customer account, go to customer button, new, then type the name of the customer account, say ABC and company. You can create the customer account like that. Then you can type the TRN number information you can give. If you want to give opening in detail, you can go to the file, account, modify, select the customer here, double click, specify opening balance detail. Here you can add the bill numbers, amount, the invoice number, date, LPO number, details and all. Different amount you can type here, invoice number. And this you now see the accounting period is 1/1/2019 to 31/12/2020. So you must give the opening transaction below this date until 31/8 will allow. Suppose if you are giving 1/1/9/20, it will not allow, or 1/1 starting. So if I am giving the date is 1/1/19, it will not allow, because until 31/12 it will allow. Suppose 31/12, or you can give any previous date, no problem, 01/01/17. So for any if a bill available pending is in the last 2 years back, you can give the date like this, and you can type the amount, description and all. Then exit button, remember to save button, click save. So bill is saved. Suppose you want to take the statement, you can go to the account query and click ABC, and then statement, apply. So you can get the statement. See here, statement is 16,666 65. This is the amount. You wanted to get in detail, you go to the outstanding, so it will give you the bill wise detail. See, there are two bills, which is the how many days due, which is showing here. If you want to show the aging report, and aging, you can get it aging report, what is the due and what days it is due. So this is the general idea about the account creation. After account creation, you can go to the normal journal entries here. Voucher entry is very simple. Go to the voucher. Which voucher you wanted to enter? Suppose journal voucher. Journal voucher. Suppose you withdraw some money from bank. So cash account F2, F2 cash account. So the cash account, actually this account is wrongly created. Actually you have to create under the cash. Maybe cash customer you can create under the cash customer. If you want on cash customer you can create. But cash must be under this group 120 cash account, and you can enter the narration or description here, or withdraw amount, how much amount you withdraw from the withdraw from bank, and then type the amount here. Say 10,000 if you withdraw, type 10,000, and bank account here. Bank F2, or you simply type the name also, it will come. Bank account you have to type. Okay, suppose you want to check here bank, or you can click here the cash and bank separately option. If you click, it will give you the details. It will give you, say, Emirates NBD. Select Emirates NBD, type the amount, credit, just verify, post. Like this you can enter any journal ledger transaction, anything you can enter through here. And then statement all you can go through here also, from the account query also. ABC and company you want to, or cash account you want to see the statement, go to the cash, and then apply, statement, apply. So you will get the statement of account. So easily you can get it. And now the mainly the documents, all type of documents is available in the Comrade. So now the first one is, I will tell you, quotation. Quotation, go to quotation, then this number is automatically coming. You can set up the starting numbers. All starting numbers you can setting up here in the voucher numbers. Here you can set up the numbers 1 or 2, like this. The starting numbers you can, or 2000, whatever you are giving, with that continuous number it will keep on coming. See, now for example quotation, you want to give the end starting number, so you can go to the quotation number, and then give the quotation serial number. Quotation number is there. There is a column available. If you are typing there, it will come. It is there. Okay, and now quotation number. Then select the customer, F2, to select the customer. Say ABC and company, you are selecting ABC and company, which is salesman, and select the item. Item creation also very simply you can create. Go to the item creator screen, type the code here, enable access key, and type the code here. Say item H1. Okay, you can type any item description. You set plug is for an electrical company plug, or whatever, you can type the name and other information, brand, HS code, model number. There are many other information you can give. Also you can give the product in detail. So here you can type directly the code also, or you can H1, it will bring into that particular number, the product code will prompt you. Then you can type the how many quantities there and what is the unit price. This unit price will come automatically if you store in the item master. Say if you are giving 100, just post this quotation, then print quotation. You can print here, click print quotation. Quotation format, if it is there, you will get it. Format all here, format all you can set up here. With each quotation you can decide with the format. If you want a product code also can print along with the item code. Quotation format, sales invoice format, all formats is all available here. These formats you can fix with logo and information. Normal little idea, you can manage this formats. The user can also modify the formats, but once you set up this format, no need to change always, you can fix it. Now quotation I showed you. Quotation you have different formats. One is the main quotation, and another one is fixed format. Another one is summary reports. In the summary reports you will get daily quotations with the detail, and also there is other reports option available here. One salesman wise, item wise, many options available. And quotation, after making the quotation, you can convert this quotation into the pro forma. That means the quotation confirmed, a confirmed quotation will transfer to pro forma. How it is simple, you see, go to the select the party here, ABC, and then view. Then it will show you the quotations. All the quotation will show here. So this ABC and company has only one quotation. You can tag here and transfer. Then this information will come to the quotation. Suppose I have 1005, or tag also possible. I will show you here, transfer. So the detail came here. Then if you want to add some information here, you can type, simply type job, and you can type additional information, warranty information, or anything you can type here. You can type anything and just post this proforma. Proforma, you should know it. It is the confirmed order. Confirmed order, and you can print and give to the customer for getting payment. Proforma you can give to the. There are different for model. You can set it up by any model, any format. You can set it up. That is all I told you here in the system. In the customized voucher, here you can set up the format. Suppose sales order format you can design according to the your convenience. You can make it. For example, you want here the proforma invoice. The heading, if you want proforma invoice, you can give heading proforma invoice. Then proforma invoice. And also you can design according to your requirement. You can fix here. If you want a logo, all information you can do. And then now I am printing the proforma. Then it will come with the proforma invoice. Here all details like this you can customize. And after giving the proforma invoice, you can transfer this proforma invoice to sales invoice. Go to the sales invoice, select the party ABC and company, then view. All the proforma details will come, and just tag and transfer. So the information came to sales invoice. Then just post this. So at the time is asking who is the salesman. You can specify any salesman name, and then, which is not mandatory. If you want, you can give, or otherwise you can ignore. And post this LPO number also compulsory, because why? These two options we have in the system parameter. There is a setup here available. Here there is a see LPO and DO number if it is mandatory, because mandatory click is there. That's why this is compulsory. You must give. Now see, it will not ask you the. It will give you a warning, and then it will post it, because we didn't give the mandatory click there. So then invoice you can also print from here. Invoice you can print. Invoice, what is the number? Okay, 111 last. Okay, 1110 is the last one. You can print it here. It's also customizable. So invoice is posted. And this one, there are, after posting this, there are two types of reports you can take. One is in profit analysis, each bill wise, what is the sale amount, what is the cost, and what is the profit. Here we didn't have any. It's a new item. We didn't have any purchase. That's why no cost. So it is came as 100% profit. Usually it will come the purchase, then make the sales. That is better, so that it will be giving the correct profit. In case normal some trading companies, if you cannot make either purchase first, such cases you make sales invoice. There is an option here available in the page 6 is available. Update average goes to minus. Such cases, the whichever invoice is gone in minus, that also cost will build according to the subsequent purchase. It will check the cost and put the cost. Like that you can build the cost. And here the profit analysis, you can get the many different reports available in the profit and loss profit analysis, item wise, invoice wise, also daily sales report, day wise report. There are a lot of options available here. And also other options like you want to lose invoices only, you want a list, you can print. Profit analysis, you can take a list, everything you can take. And the same time, the journal, the invoice is posted and journal also created. Journal, the creation is coming with IS. These are the types. IS means inventory sales. Go to the IS, apply, then all the invoices, the journal will come here. So you can get to the journal. Now you will last made invoices. Suppose today you made. Today you can give say 23, 10, 20. You can give apply. So the 20th today's transaction will come. Today's transaction, see, it came. The customer account is debited, and the credit is gone to the sales account. Credit is gone to the sales account. Same time there is a inventory is debited, and the cost of sale, inventory is credited, cost of sale is debited. Like this also there is an option available. The journal entry will come, cost of sale entry will transfer. Here if you are setting up here in the system parameter, update cost of sale and inventory, this option if it is clicked, there are another two transactions will generate. The inventory will credit, cost of sale will debit. This entry also will come. This advantage means you will get the up-to-date profit analysis, profit loss report from the P&L section. And here the state P&L section reports all you can get from the chart of account option. The account balance, account movement, the month-wise movement. Month-wise movement also very useful report. It is like the each month what is the position you will come to. Customer, if you are giving group January month, what is the transaction? 12 months within the accounting period, 12 months it will give you the report. So you will get a comparison on the report. And then the sales invoice will be printed, and if it is a VAT option also available. VAT report is a little same as the FTA report. You will get the format as it is here. Here the details as well as what is the VAT to be paid, and then also in detail. If you want in detail, you can get this information in detail also. Detail means the area wise and the total. It is giving the final report. This is a VAT wise report, VAT report. And the statement I showed you before. Any account you can go to the account query. See, these screens is very useful. Here sales related, purchase related, and the account creation, stock creation, the account related reports, payments, receipt, others. Receipt is go to the receipt and select the cash bank or PDC, which one you want to make it, and then select the party account. You can select the party account, then tag it here. Suppose your party account is customer account. You can select here also customers. The customer you can select which customer. Then all the pending bills of that customer will show. You can easily tag it. You can easily tag the customer account figures. Bill you can set, click tag like that. Then easy to make the receipt voucher. Receipt voucher printing also available. Payment voucher printing, and payroll is integrated payroll. Inventory item creation, group creation, subgroup. Purchase also, it is a one option. If you know, other using is very simply you can use it. Suppose your purchase, same way, similar way, sales invoice you can work. Here only the inventory will be debited and the supplier will be credited, because why we have used the cost of sale method. If you have used the purchase method, then here inventory account place it will change it to purchase account. This will come automatically change according to the click option in the system parameter. This is the basic ideas which is about the software, and there are a lot of reports available. Additionally, in the here there is a budget entry available, and budget reports available. Also post dated check control is there. Bank reconciliation is there. Bank reconciliation also, it is simple. Simply you can use the bank reconciliation. And another thing I told you, post dated checks, the receivables and the post dated checks, receivables and payables, both you can. Issued checks and received checks you can control. And when you log in, it will show you and you can tag. Also job costing is there, and manufacturing option is there. Manufacturing in the transferring finished goods entry is there, and you can also set up the components along with the finished goods. There are some setup is there. We will explain to you the next video. Will give you a little bit idea. This is an overall idea I showed you about the Comrade software and creation and all. Here also there is one more thing is there. The daily report is very useful report. Here you can get the invoice anytime, and then you can click here. All the bills of that particular day will come, and you can get the information about either how much cash sale, how much credit sale, cash receipt, and it will give you a summary also. Similar thing you can get from voucher wise report also. Voucher wise report also, this report is very useful. This report, the day wise, it will, if you are clicking, suppose today's date, if you are giving 23/10/20, apply, and this take the report. So the system will give you sales figure how much, the other JB transaction how much, and what is the position of your cash balance how much opening, and what is this period how much transaction came, and what is the balance it will give you. And there are other one more report available, like in little more columns more. What is the cash position, what is the bank position, PDC, credit how much total, okay, VAT how much generated, day wise. This all like a period wise. You can one day to particular date to particular day. All reports are taken by date wise. You can give starting date and end date in every reports, so that the report is more flexible to take it, not month wise. Any date to date you can take. And another thing, auditing option. Auditing option means all the transactions today generated or all the transaction pending transaction will come, and then an auditor or an authorized person can tag, check it and tag, then post. Then the advantage means here, if its a password is there, it will post it. Then all the auditor, the not checked transactions, auditors checked the transaction will not come here, and all the pending transaction will come here. This is an additional protection on your data. That is the another advantage. So here I am winding up the things now. You got, I could think you got some an overall idea about the Comrade accounting software. This is Comrade Plus software, and it is more quite easy and user friendly, and also more people are using, widely used system. And this is and all, it is approximately, it is more compatible with the FTA reports. And other things, payroll, there are a lot of options available. Payroll is the leave calculation, gratuity production, gratuity reports, all available. Okay, thank you very much for time being. Thank you.